What if these rusted motorcycles, abandoned and forgotten for years, could be transformed into something valuable once again? Today, you'll witness an incredible industrial journey, from mountains of scrap metal to powerful new steel products that help build the modern world. Stay with us until the end to see every fascinating step of this transformation. And if you enjoy factory processes and industrial technology, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Future Flow Factory, and join us for more amazing journeys inside the world's most impressive factories. Across the factory floor, every system works together with perfect efficiency. Ahead lies the furnace, where intense heat will complete the transformation. The furnace doors slowly open, revealing a chamber filled with intense heat and light. Waves of heat ripple through the air, distorting everything near the glowing interior. Tons of scrap steel pour into the furnace, disappearing into the sea of fire below. Massive electrodes descend from above, preparing to unleash tremendous energy. A brilliant electric arc ignites, flooding the furnace with blinding white light. Showers of sparks erupt across the hall, illuminating the darkness around the furnace. Deep inside, the steel begins to glow red as the melting process takes hold. The solid metal slowly softens, surrendering to the overwhelming heat. Soon, the furnace contains a swirling pool of liquid steel and energy. The molten surface bubbles and churns as impurities are driven away. Workers monitor the process carefully, ensuring every stage remains under control. A sample is collected from the molten steel to verify its quality. The glowing sample confirms the success of the purification process. The final traces of solid scrap disappear into the molten pool. The ladle moves steadily across the plant toward the casting area. Molten steel pours into the distribution vessel with controlled precision. A continuous stream of liquid metal feeds the casting process below. The steel enters the mold and begins forming its new shape. Water sprays rapidly cool the surface, creating clouds of steam. Fire, steam, and steel combine into a dramatic industrial spectacle. A glowing steel billet emerges, marking the beginning of its new life. Fresh from the casting line, the glowing billet continues its journey through the factory. The surface remains red hot as the steel moves toward the rolling mill. cooling systems spray water across the surface, creating clouds of steam. The steel hardens and gains the strength required for construction. What began as a collection of rusted, forgotten motorcycles has now completed an extraordinary transformation. From scrapyards filled with aging metal to powerful shredders, massive furnaces, rivers of molten steel and precision rolling mills, every step played a vital role in giving these materials a second life. Through advanced recycling technology, waste was transformed into valuable steel products, ready to support new buildings, roads, bridges, and industries around the world. This remarkable process not only recovers valuable resources, but also helps reduce waste, conserve raw materials, and build a more sustainable future. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey from rusted motorcycles to high-quality steel. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Future Flow Factory for more fascinating factory processes and industrial transformations from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next journey inside the world's most amazing factories.